Alright, we got the 2001 Honda Accord here, 4-cylinder. So this thing has about over 200,000 miles and it's been a great little car. But as time goes by and things age, things are always changing. Let's see if we can get here and show you the oil pan over here. You can see that drip right there. You know, whether it's coming from the plug, which I don't know, but possibly. So we're going to try something out today. So after doing some research on different drain plugs and different methods, instead of changing the whole oil pan, I went and bought this Eco Plug. Some of you may have heard of it. So instead of getting like an oversized bolt or a butterfly, which you can do a few different options, try this. It's kind of an interesting thing. Instead of essentially, maybe cutting new grooves into the plug or the oversized stuff, this will just fit like normal, but then there is a magnet at end like this, and you just pull that out instead of having to always unthread things with your socket and whatnot. And so it's supposed to just make kind of things easier and make it more reliable, if you will. So we'll see how it works. There's a special tool if you want to get it to undo the magnet, but if not, you can just use pliers. So I guess it's pretty simple. Here's the little instructions. So you just remove the original threaded drain plug, install this new one here. Has a steel gasket already on there. And then install it, and have this little vinyl cap over here. I guess if you ever, get your oil change, people know that you have the Eco Plug. And that's kind of about it. It says you can remove it with some pliers or vice grips, or the professional magnetic tool that you can buy at an additional price. So there's different types or different sizes. I got the 14 millimeter 1.5 here, so this should do it. You also have one that can do if your threads are messed up or damaged. They do have a different plug for that, so make sure you do get the correct one when doing this, because you don't want to get the one to fix your damaged threads if your threads aren't damaged, obviously. So I'm going to throw this on and we're going to see how it goes. So I mean, if you go over by my car, there's a big old puddle, big old pile of dried up oil that you can tell. So we'll see if this works. I know these older Hondas tend to burn through oil as well, but we'll see if this helps out, because I just barely changed the oil about a month and a half ago and I'm already a good quarter too low. So we're going to see if this helps out. So I'm going to get it going and we'll see how the install goes. Alright, just finished it up. There appears to be no leaks or anything, which is obviously a good thing. So we've got some light there. So there it is installed. Just gave it a good little turn so it tightens up nice. They say it's a 60-pound magnet, so it has some good force to it. Once again, you just use pliers or some vice grips to get the end out right there. I've heard the hole's a little bit smaller than normal, so it may take a little bit longer, but we'll see how it goes the next oil change, and we'll see how the Eco Plug performs. So I don't know, we'll see if it's a gimmick or not, but I read a lot of reviews on Amazon and stuff, and a lot of people say it's done great and saved the money from having to get a new oil pan. And so we'll see how this goes. So I'll give you an update later down the road. Thanks, bye.